Okay. My name is Monica Obuya. I would like to welcome you to this class, and today we are going to discuss computer application 1. So we have computer application 1 and computer application 2. So computer application 1 is the practical, and then computer application 2 is theory. So we have computer application, sorry. Yes. So by the end of this lesson, we should be able to define the following. So by the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to, yes, after defining a computer, we will also talk about the computer hardwares and softwares. Then, after knowing the computer hardware and softwares, we are also going to learn about we call it computer monitor. So computer monitor is also screen. Yes, so these are some of the things we are going to learn in our class. So when I say computer, how do you understand the word computer? Yes?
Okay, I can try. A computer is an electronic device that accepts data, manipulates and stores data.
So according to Brian, a computer is an electronic device that accepts data, manipulates data and stores information. Yeah. Another definition of a computer. Yes. Let's have another definition of a computer. How do you understand the word or the term computer? Yes, Onesimus.
Teacher, I think, in my own understanding, I think computer is a software gadget, despite the size, which can be used to help in putting the data, storing the data, outputting the information. Yeah.
So thank you. So according to the two students, in their definition, there are some terms. They say computer is an electronic device. So we have electronic, we have the term device, we have the term data. Then, so we can say a computer is an electronic device that accepts data as an input, data as an input, and produce information as output. So these are some of the terms that we must understand. Let's see, why do we say a computer is an electronic device? Yes? Why do you think we say a computer is an electronic device and not another device? Yes?
It uses electricity.
It uses electricity. Yes, so what is a device?
Something you can use, you can touch.
So a device is something you can use or Yes, we are learning. What is a device? Another definition of a device?
Like a gadget.
So a device is like a gadget. Now, let's see what data is. We say a computer is an electronic device that accepts data. So it accepts, store, and then it produces information as an output. Now, in that definition, so it is the data which is being accepted. So what is the meaning of data? Anyone with idea? Yeah, so data is a raw information. For example, why do we say data is a raw information? Let's say we have the word, we want to write maybe the word. Yeah, so which one do we use? I want to use someone's name. Which name do you prefer? Brian. Yes. So we want to write Brian. But remember, when you write Brian, this is now the information. You can know what Brian is. It is a name. It is what? So when you say data, when I write the word B, yeah, you will not understand whatever I want to write, because B stands for so many things. I can write Brian, can write Benson, Bon. Yeah, so B stands for. So B alone is a data. So when you make it complete now, Brian, that is now information. So in that case, we've defined what data is and information. So we say a computer is an electronic device that accepts data. Yeah, so the data is B as an input. Yeah, so you key in the word B. See that one? That is a data. Then after now writing the full meaning Brian, that is now information. Yes. So we have input devices and output devices in a computer. So input devices, these are the devices that are used to key in or enter information in a computer. Yes. So may I get some of the examples of input devices that you people know? Yes?
Teacher. Keyboard.
Keyboard. So keyboard is one of the example of input devices. Another example of input device? Yeah, how many supermarkets? Yes. So we have barcode reader. When you buy an item, they take, yeah, they took it and they scan. So barcode reader is also an example of input devices. Another example of input device, we have printer. When you are doing scanning. No, so not printer, but the scanner. So scanner is also an example of input device. We were talking about computer. Yes, we said keyboard is an input device. There is also this device that you normally use. We have mouse. So mouse is also an example of input device. Sasa. Yeah, so any question up to there? Output devices. Yes, so let's move to output devices. Yes, let's move to output devices. So the output devices, these are the devices that are used to produce information. Yes, so input devices, they are used to key in or enter information in a computer. Then the output devices, they are now the finalize. Yes?
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
In terms of the computer definition,
Yes.
is it a must to use internet for browsing, or you can use computer without internet?
Yeah, so you have a question. Let's meet next time, and thank you.